Welcome to the spoken tutorial on typography in Bootstrap. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use text alignment, text transform, font weight and italic, text decoration, reset color, and display headings. For styling and formatting text in Bootstrap. This tutorial is recorded using Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Bootstrap 4.6.0, HTML5, CSS3, gedit text editor, and Firefox web browser. To follow this tutorial, you should be familiar with HTML and CSS. If not, please go through the HTML and CSS tutorials on this website. In this tutorial, we will design a layout as shown here in Bootstrap. Let's start with the text alignment. Text can be aligned either to the left, right, center, or justify. These are the available classes for them. Let's use one of these classes in our layout. Locate the files mypage.html and mystyle.css in the My Bootstrap folder. We will use mypage.html and mystyle.css files which we saved earlier for this demonstration. The files used in this tutorial are available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract them. Make a copy and then use them while practicing. Open the file mypage.html in a web browser. Notice that by default the text is aligned to the left. Let us change the text alignment of the first row to the center. Open the file mypage.html in the text editor. I have opened it in the gedit text editor. Add the .textCenter class to the column of the first row as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe that the text of the first row is aligned to the center now. Try other text transformation classes on your own later for your understanding. Also try .textLeft, .textRight, and .textCenter classes with breakpoints as shown below. Next, we will explore text transform. Basically, it manages the capitalization of text. These are the classes for it. .text uppercase, it converts all the letters to uppercase. .text lowercase, it converts all the letters to lowercase. .text capitalize, it converts the first letter of each word to uppercase. Let us try one of these. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add the .text uppercase class to the column of the first row as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the first row. We can see all the letters are converted to uppercase. Try other text transformation classes on your own later for your understanding. Next, let's understand about font weight. Font weight specifies how thick the font of the text should be. Following are the classes for it. Let us try this. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add the .fontWeightBold class to the column of the last row as shown here. In our code, we will increase the width of the block level element to 140 pixel. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the output. The text is set to bold now. Try the other font weight classes on your own later for your understanding. Let's understand how to set the text to italic. .fontItalic class is used to set the text to italic. Let us try this. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add .fontItalic class to the paragraph in the second row as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now we can see that the text in the paragraph is set to italic. Next, we will learn about text decoration. .TextDecorationNone class is used to remove decoration of the text. It is mostly used to remove the underline of a link. Switch to the browser. Observe the links in the second row. They are underlined when we hover the cursor over the words. We can use .TextDecorationNone to remove this underline if we wish to. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add .TextDecorationNone class to all the links in the second row as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the second row. The underline of the links are now no longer visible. By default, the color of the link is always set to blue, but this can be changed to any other color we like. .TextReset class is used to change or reset the color of a text or link. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add the .TextReset class to the links as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. In the output, the color of the links are set to the default black color. It has inherited the color from its parent. Next, let's understand display headings. They are used to make headings more prominent than normal headings. For example, they are slightly larger than normal headings. Following are display heading classes. Note the difference between H1 heading and various other display heading classes. Now let's understand display heading classes with an example. Switch to the mypage.html file. Add the .display4 class to the column of the first row as shown here. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe that now the heading is slightly larger than the normal heading. Try out other heading classes and observe the differences. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Let us now summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned how to use text alignment, text transform, font weight and italic, text decoration, reset color, and display headings. As an assignment, open the mypage.html file. In the third row, set the text font of all the paragraphs to italic. Save the file. Observe the output on the web browser. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries on this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. This is Neha Solanki from Spoken Tutorial, IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.